So with respect to the coordination unit, this is the second activity. In the diagram you can observe that these are the different parts of the tongue. These are basically the taste buds, different kinds of taste buds which are situated on the tongue. The last one, which are bigger in size, generally their taste buds are cup shaped, right, which are bigger in size, are known as circumvallate papillae, and the second one is foliate papillae, this is filiform papillae, and this is fungiform papillae. Do you know, friends, these taste buds help in recognizing different types of taste. For example, one taste bud would be help in recognizing salty taste, whereas the other one helps in recognizing the sweet. And one more important question is, generally when do you recognize the taste of a food substances? Can you recognize the taste of a food substance as soon as you have kept the food particle in your mouth, or does it take some amount of time? In order to recognize the taste, generally the food substance must be dissolved with the saliva and it should reach the taste bud, which is generally cup in shaped, right? Taste bud is cup in shaped. So the food mixed with the saliva must reach the cup shaped taste buds in order to recognize the taste by the brain. So if you place a product such as a biscuit, you won't be able to recognize the taste immediately. The biscuit must dissolve with the saliva and it must reach the taste bud in order to get the taste. So friends, we can do an activity over here. Take some sugar and place it on your tongue and observe the time taken to recognize the taste. In this activity, you should not touch your tongue with the palate. You might be thinking, what is palate? What the palate is? So in the second case, you take some sugar substances, place it on your tongue and press the tongue with the palate. Palate is the upper surface of the. So if you press your tongue with the palate, generally the sugar will be dissolved in a faster manner. Hope you understand. This is the reason why we generally suck the sugar substances or candies. So in simple words about the activity, if you place the sugar substances on the tongue and won't touch the tongue with the palate, it takes certain amount of time in order to recognize the taste. Whereas in the second case, we place the sugar substances and press the tongue with the palate. So in a shorter amount of time, you can recognize the taste of a sugar. This experiment shows that in order for a human to recognize the taste, generally the substances along with the liquid, it should be in liquid form and it must reach the taste buds in order to recognize the taste.